Let me show you all of the lock screen options in Poco X7. So first of all, we need to open our settings. Then when we scroll down, there's the fingerprints, face data, and screen lock. And right here, we'll be able to find all of the screen lock options. So let's cover that first. There's a pattern, pin, and password. So the pattern allows you to draw different lines with combination to create a lock screen password. Pin allows you to enter 4 to 16 numbers to unlock your device, and the password allows you to enter 4 or more letters or numbers. That means basically any other symbols to also protect your device. You can then also hide the pattern if you like and you don't want someone to see it. Then there's the fingerprint option, so you can unlock your device with the fingerprint scan. And finally, last one is the face unlock, or actually not last one, but there's a face unlock which allows you to scan your face with the front camera. And the last one is to unlock your device with the Bluetooth device. So if you have any other Xiaomi device, you can use it to also unlock your phone. And that is basically everything.